Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there. We are here with Gary again. As always, thank you so much for joining us again.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Well, the president is doing a lot of tweeting these days, Gary. Do you tweet?
I read tweets.
Yes.
I'm kind of a troll.
Yeah, same here. Same
Yeah,
here.
I find it interesting, but I don't add a lot.
Yeah, I'm right there with you. So a judge recently ruled that his tweets are official statements. How does that ruling affect, or how can it potentially affect our daily lives?
I don't know. My life is disrupted enough by these tweets, I think. I think we all agree on that, right?
Yeah,
like,
absolutely.
slow it down.
Right?
But they've proclaimed them as official statements. I guess they are then binding as sworn testimony, maybe. You know, he's been kind of bitten on the backside by them a few times by saying things in tweets that then the courts incorporate into rulings that don't support necessarily the position of the government. So I don't know. I think they're out there. You know, it's like all of us. We live with these tweets we put out, and particularly in that kind of high-profile situation, what you say matters. So,
yeah, it does.
So I do think it's important that maybe he recognized, or the administration recognized, they are kind of official government statements.
And they're take care going forward on those, right? Maybe.
Well, good luck.
Right. So I guess on that note, can a post on social media be used as evidence against us in anything that we may do?
Well, the good question. And you know, when we talk to clients, I encourage them to just stay off of Facebook and the social media stuff that deals with their case anyway. You know, you can still participate, you can still be part of the discussion, but let's not talk about too much. We use it a lot. I mean, I don't want to give away too many secrets, but if we need to find somebody, sometimes you find them that way.
Right.
You find out what activities they're involved in. You'll see whether they're remorseful or not about something they may have done to somebody. You may find out witnesses. I might find out what activities you enjoy or don't enjoy. So it gives away a lot of information that may not just seem so immediate on its face, you know. So it is important, I think, to put it out there if you don't have anything to worry about. But we do use it as a tool quite a bit.
Yeah. So it can possibly be used against you in a court case, right?
And cases, and the law is loosened up. The evidence law is loosened up some now. So this stuff does come in. It is important, and it's out there.
What's
and
the
it
rule?
Can be used.
What's the rule of thumb in social media?
Just say no.
Just say no.
Yeah,
or I guess I've heard don't put anything out there you don't want your grandma to hear, right? Or read.
Pretty good. That's probably good advice.
Great.
That's good advice.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Gary, and we look forward to seeing you in the very next Legal Break.